Hi friends, this is NK. I'm going to show you 100 basic to advanced level Excel keyboard shortcuts in two parts, which makes your work easier and faster. Today in part 1, I'm going to cover 50 out of 100. Let's start. Press Ctrl N to create a new workbook. Ctrl O to open a saved workbook. Ctrl S to save a workbook. Ctrl A to select a dataset at once and press A twice to select the whole worksheet. Ctrl B to turn highlighted cell bold. Ctrl C to copy cells that are highlighted. Ctrl V to paste anything that was copied. Ctrl X to cut cells that are highlighted. Ctrl G to jump to a certain area. Just specify the cell number where you want to go, like C6. Ctrl H to find and replace cell contents. Ctrl F to search for anything in a worksheet. Ctrl I to italicize cell contents. Ctrl L to open the Create Table dialog box. Ctrl P to print a workbook. Ctrl R to fill the selected cell with the content of the cell on the left. Ctrl U to underline highlighted cells. Ctrl D to fill the selected cell with the content of the cell right above. Ctrl W to close your current workbook. Ctrl Z to undo the last action. Ctrl Y to redo the last action. Ctrl 1 to format the cell content. Control 5 to put a strike through in a cell. Control K to insert a hyperlink in a cell. Control 9 to hide a row. Control 0 to hide a column. Control Shift column to enter the current time in a cell. Control semicolon to enter the current date in a cell. Control backcode to change the view from displaying cell values to formulas. Control apostrophe to copy the formula from the cell above. Control hyphen to delete column or rows. Control Shift equal to sign to insert column and rows. Control Shift and arrow keys to select the whole data range at one go to the particular direction. If you want to select the data downwards, then press the down key. If you want to select the data to the right, press right arrow key. If you want to select the data to the left, then press left arrow key, and for the upward, press up arrow key. It will not select the data after the gap. If you want it to be selected, then you have to press the arrow keys thrice. You can select the data to the right and then downwards and the other set of the data by pressing the down arrow key thrice. Control Shift @ sign to apply time formatting. Control Shift exclamation mark to apply comma formatting. Control Shift plus $sign to apply currency formatting. Control Shift hash to apply date formatting. Control Shift %sign to apply percentage formatting. Control Shift ampersand to place borders around the selected cells. Control Shift _ to remove a border. Control spacebar to select an entire column. Control Shift spacebar to select a dataset at once. And if you hit spacebar twice, it will select the whole entire worksheet. Control Home to redirect to cell A1. Control Shift Tab to switch to the previous workbook. Control Shift F to open the font menu under Format Cells. Control Shift O to select the cell containing comments. Control Drag to drag and copy a cell. Control plus up arrow to go to the topmost cell in the current column. Control plus right arrow to go to the last cell in the selected row. Control left arrow to jump back to the first cell in the selected row. Control plus down arrow to jump to the last cell in the current column. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe.